Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. I have been away, but I have an excuse. Me and my dear old partner have moved into our very own humble home. It's been beautiful, it's been amazing, but it's been busy and we've been going everywhere, getting this, getting that, and we are finally pretty much there. This room that we are in is my craft room. Can't really see much from the camera angle, but I will show you at some point. But that's not why we are here today. I had to change my subscription box because I had issues getting the last one to my house. Whatever reason, I kind of forget in the end. But not to worry, we got another one. So this one is called the cruelty-free beauty box. So it again is all vegan, but it's just different. It's just different. I believe it's around £24 a month, which is okay. The other one was £20, but this one I thought I'd give it a try. They do so many different packages that you can do. I think you can do a smaller one. There's a men's one, a plastic-free one. But this is like makeup and body stuff. So let's get in and let me show you what we have. So I received this yesterday and I've not really looked at it. I wanted it to be more a surprise. But the first things we find, so it's like this up here. First thing we have are these two little slips of paper. So this one, it says, my small Christmas hint card. We're only in October, but it's fine. It says 25th of October. Christmas is coming to the cruelty-free beauty box. Friday, the 25th of October. Okay, so what I should say is this specific box that I have comes every 2 months, which is, it's not too bad. So it's £25 a time. So this just looks like, you know, if you're really into your makeup and whatnot, you tick these and then give it to someone, whoever, and then they buy it for you for Christmas. Well, supposedly. But that's kind of neat, you know, if you got no idea what you even want, which usually is me, then I guess it's a good little hint of, I don't know, it's good. It's a good idea because it has stuff like plastic free things that I'd want a gift subscription or I'd want a charity donation, and yeah, that's a neat little idea. I think it's beautiful because, you know, people might not think of a charity donation, and to have that, you know, that's good. Anyway, so the next slip of paper we have is this. So this is, this tells you everything that we've got in our box. It's very strange paper though. Look at it. That's really cool. Right, so the beauty box original 28th edition. I am seed paper. Wow, this is literally paper full of seeds. Place me in soil and lightly cover me with some more. Water me. Place me somewhere warm to grow. If you haven't got anywhere at the moment, just save me. Hashtag, save the bees. That's adorable. So not only are you not wasting paper, you're helping the environment as well. So this is really thoughtful. This is a brilliant way to reuse things. And it says here, wish list now available. We have introduced a new wish list feature over on our shop website. It needs a little bit of visual tweaking, but it's fully functional and ready to be used. You can add products you love to your wish list and share it with family and friends, or keep it for yourself. So their website has a lot of options that you can choose from, which is real handy. But anyway, I've been talking quite a lot, so let's just get into the products. So, look what we have here. That looks beautiful. So the first thing we have on our list is the My Dot Hair Care Rescue My Dot Hair Hydrate Shampoo Bar. Mouthful, but it's got so many little dots in. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not because it never focuses. Anyway, so let's find that one. Oh, it's this one. So it's this little box right here, and that is the Rescue My Hair Hydrate Shampoo Bar. 0 sulfites, 0 silicone, 100% vegan shampoo. So I am a bit dubious because they never really worked with my hair, because my hair's so thick. Whoa, how cute is that? Right, wet your hair, rub bar between your hands to make it lava, or lava, depends. Apply to hair evenly using your fingertips. Rinse thoroughly, repeat if required, if not, proceed to conditioner. Enjoy your sensory experience. It literally looks like a dog biscuit. That's really flipping cool though. That smells amazing. That smells real good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so handmade luxury shampoo bar that cleanses hair, leaving hair and scalp refreshed and revitalized. Our wellness formulation, soft fragrance and sustainable solutions for your ultimate sensory experience. This shampoo bar has moisturizing and hydroactive properties, rejuvenating the hair with extracts of aloe vera, prickly pear and carob seed extract. Fragrance with bergamot and rose. Well, that definitely comes out in the smell, because that is delicious. That is real nice. And that box, it's just so cool. Whoa. It's got little writing everywhere. Taking care of your shampoo bar. Rescue My Hair Shampoo Bar doesn't contain any hardness, but with a little care you can prolong the life of your shampoo bar, making it last a long time. Okay, saying that twice there. 1. Don't let your shampoo bar sit or drown in water. Make sure your shampoo bar is exposed to fresh air between uses. Store your shampoo bar on a well-drained soap dish. But it says, please use this box holder. Maybe there's some sort of thing that I don't know about that drains, but anyway, it smells divine. I'm obviously skeptical, and again, vegan right there, because my hair is so thick. I'm just going to use the whole thing in one, but hopefully it looks like the best one I've had so far. But the recommended retail price is £14. I believe this is the full size because it's pretty big. But £14 is really flipping expensive, so it's got to be good for what it is. Obviously I didn't buy it individually, but that is that. So number 2, the second product we have on our list is the Natura Pumpkin Seed Sheet Mask. Full size, £5.95. So that must be this little flat fella right over here with some hair on him, and this is it. So it's a lovely little cardboard container actually. So it is brightening and softening. I hope it smells good because pumpkins usually smell really grim. Anyway, so brighten your complexion and nourish your skin with this pumpkin infused sheet mask. It is packed with natural enzymes from a variety of fruit and herb extracts, which help to increase cell renewal, leaving skin soft and supple. What's better is the sheet mask is also biodegradable. That's really good. I mean, since moving in this house, I am so conscious about what I use and how I use it and what I waste. So it's really nice to be able to buy products that continue that lifestyle. So I'm really happy. and everyone loves a sheet mask because you look like the devil when you wear them. So it's brilliant all around. So I am really intrigued to try this one because who doesn't love a sheet mask? So number 3, the third thing on our list is Fairy Pants perfume. So we only have the mini one, unfortunately. I love perfume too much. But this is handmade in Cheshire. These fab perfumes are what your dressing table has been crying out for. They're awesome fragrances you can't get anywhere else. So vanilla and aniseed. I always get a bit skeptical about vanilla because it smells so sweet and it can just, well, I've got a vanilla air freshener and it's like, ooh, no. So we are so excited to introduce you to our amazing perfume range, available in 15 fragrances. You can collect them all and switch them up according to your mood. These perfumes are vegan, cruelty-free, and only tested on willing human victims. So you can have a guilt-free spritz anytime you like. They're awesome fragrances you can't get anywhere else, so treat yourself and build up your collection. So that is really cool. Really, really cool. I guess it's hard to tell what perfume is vegan. Let's have a sniff. I can't really smell much. It's not really strong. It smells like bubble. I would not say that's a perfume. No, not sure how I feel about that. I mean, I don't know if I just can't really smell, but it doesn't really smell that good. I don't know if it's vanilla or what, but yeah. I don't know. I'll have to actually put it on because it might smell different. Maybe I really don't think I can smell real good right now. But either way, if you did like the perfumes, it's vegan, it's great all around. Yes. So number 4, Palm Bar Body Butter Bar, Simply Cocoa. Cool. So cocoa butter. Is it cocoa butter? Probably. Right. So this is a little thing here. Palm Bar. It's a really cute little thing. If we open it up. So it says on the back, this bar contains a high percentage of cocoa butter, so there may be some particles on the surface which will melt on contact with the skin. Cool. The only thing with cocoa butter, it can feel real greasy on the skin, but I know it's hydrating as well. It's literally like puzzle. This is amazing. So I'm hoping it's not too bad actually, because the last one we had, which was like the coffee and the cocoa, it was really kind of greasy. Whoa. It does smell like chocolate, and it feels like it's definitely melting. Right. So this is the cocoa. What was it? Palm Bar. It smells like I want to eat it. No. It is for what? The body butter bar melts on contact with the skin to leave it feeling hydrated and nourished. Packed with natural ingredients like cocoa butter and rice bran oil. Not heard that one before. It has a beautiful natural fragrance of chocolate. Haha, what did I say? Simply rub the bar directly on the skin, which then melts upon contact, hence why it was melting in my fingers. But yeah, I guess it melts with just that little bit of warmth so don't leave it in the sun. So I guess it's, I don't know if it's like a soap. I don't think it is. I think it's just you clean yourself and then rub this on you to hydrate and make your skin soft. I believe that's what it's for. Oh, I think we're stable. I may look a bit whiter than normal, but where were we? We done number 4, number 5. So, number 5 on our list is the Bella Pierre Liquid Gold. So that bar was £5. So this one, Bella Pierre Liquid Gold, 24 carats liquid gold, full size. Flippin' hope this is full size because it says it's £30. Whoa, jeez, I would not pay that much money. Anyway, so strike gold with this multi-functional shimmering fluid highlighter. Okay, use on top of foundation as a concentrated highlighter or wear underneath complexion products for all over luminescence. Okay, so I guess it's a gold brightener. So can be mixed with liquid foundation or for an all over glow, or dabbed and blended into high points of the face, cheekbones, brow bone, tip of the nose, and Cupid's brow. Can someone tell me what Cupid's brow is? Here? I really don't know. That's something I'm gonna have to Google, or just tell me below. It's easier. Anyway, so this is the little packet. Really nice. And then you got a nice little inside thing as well. So this is the actual little container for it. Whoa. How on earth am I gonna? Oh, where the hell did that go? Oh, it's there. Oh my goodness. I am really messing this up. How do these girls do it? Like this? No. It's not gonna work. Nope. Okay, so that is that. And I've now, as you can see, the bit I already squirted out. It's literally a gold. So this I can't find a place, but let's just have a go. It's literally quite gold. This is not gonna look attractive. Obviously, this is not how you do it. Look on the camera angle. Doesn't look too bad. I say that, then I'm gonna watch this back and be like, "Go, what the hell did you do?" So I'm quite intrigued to try that. I've not actually had a bronzer before, so I would like to give it a try. Obviously, find out what this stupid Cupid's brow is. But anyway, yeah, that is a beautiful packet. I guess you would literally need the tiniest bit, and it does say mix it with foundation, so I guess you could just dab it together once you've done your foundation and then just put it back on. Then it's not as concentrated, I'm guessing. So yeah, that is the Bella Pierre 24 karat liquid gold. Number 6. We are at the end of our beauty box. So the last thing is the new NIU new body hydrate or glow facial serum depending on skin type. Okay, Full size, £27.95. Hydrate. Okay, right. So if you have dry or normal skin, it will hydrate. If you have oily, it will glow. So the hydration, this ultra hydrating serum contains sweet almond oil, which is loaded with omega-3s. These essential fatty acids are critical to skin and will lock in moisture all day long. Perfect for dull and tired skin which needs a boost. Mine. Okay, for glowy, for oily skin or combination skin, a few drops of this lightweight formula will leave your skin radiant and glowing. Jojoba oil helps minimize the appearance of pores and balance oily T-zones. Cool, so this is the one we have here, the last one. Get your glow on, girl. That's what it says right on the top. So cute. So if we try and... Nope. That's better. So on the side here it says 100% naturally derived ingredients, vegan and cruelty free, female founded. That's really nice. It's really nice. Is your skin feeling as dull and tired as your ex? Ha! More than you would ever know. This moisturizing blend of pumpkin seed, almond and lavender oil will leave you looking like you've just chugged 8 glasses of H2O. I already freaking love this. This is amazing. Apply 2 to 5 drops to face and neck after cleansing. Keep out of reach from children and away from direct sunlight. Test before using. Okay, fine. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. Whoa, isn't that cute? So, yeah, okay. This is so cool. So it kind of smells like the oil you'd put in your little bath if you want to have a nice relaxing time. So yeah, you just put some drops after cleaning your face. Give it a nice little light rub and it will hydrate or give you a glow, depending what your skin is like. Which is going to be great. I'm going to try that today before I go to work because work is stressful. And yeah, so unfortunately that is the end. That is the end of our amazing box actually. I'm really happy. The products are so different from what we've seen before. So I'm really kind of low now where the camera is. Oh man, how am I going to do this? But actually, it's turned out really good. I'm quite impressed with all these products and I'm really interested in trying them. They aren't, you know, they're not stuff you'd find in the shops, which I like because it gives you a chance to try new things that you wouldn't usually try, and again it will let you try the more expensive products as well, which is always nice to try because you know they're not gonna be crappy ingredients. They're gonna be real, you know, there's gonna be a lot of history, and I can't think of the word I'm trying to say, but there's a lot of planning in these products which reflect the price, and that's the thing with most vegan products, even in food. So it's really nice to see these things that we can try out, because if you like them, buy them again. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. I will show you my house at some point, but like I said, it's busy. Been trying my best. I'm just gonna pick this up. But I am slowly getting there with everything. This is called Eggshell, if you want to know. And this one is called Ray. Have I had something in my teeth the whole time? I really flipping hope not, because that would be so embarrassing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is probably the longest video I've ever flipping done. 26 minutes! Whoa. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!